was that? Excuse me, but I can't stop making this noise, and a heck is very nasty. Very, very nasty indeed.
Sounds like he could have the hic.
Oh, not you too, Nurse Reg.
Hiccups.
I know one very excellent cure for the hiccups. It's great. You start to talk very quietly.
You just scared me, Dr. Terence.
And me? I think what this patient needs is a good tickle. It's a perfect cure for hiccups.
I'll get the tickleometer for that, shall I, Dr. Terence?
Absolutely, Nurse Reg. And could you put your arms up, please? Thank you. There, that should do it.
Do what?
Oh dear.
Dr. Terence is curing the hic. He's busy.
I think I know what to do.
You do?
We'll do a balloon operation.
A balloon operation?
No. Don't worry. Just take one big breath and blow all the hiccups into this balloon.